In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 1. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do two-player split screen on Call of Duty MW1 on any mode. You will be able to do this online or create a local game and play only between you and your friend. So all that you have to do, of course, is connect an additional controller to your console. This is going to work for PlayStation or Xbox, and all that you have to do after you assign the controller to the player by giving them a user account or a guest account is to go inside of a lobby. So make sure that the controller has been properly connected either through a wired connection or wirelessly, and usually you will see a pop-up on screen telling you to assign the PlayStation user account or the Xbox user account. And after this is done, when you get inside of a game and you go over to play, you choose any game mode. If you look at the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to see player 2 press this button to play. So in this example, player 2 has to press X to play. Usually, if a controller was not detected, it is going to say something along the lines of add controller for split screen instead. So in that case, double check the connection of your controller. But if you see this option to press a specific button, just go ahead and press it. This will load into split screen immediately and you will see both of you in the lobby. Now once you start the game, split screen will be initiated immediately. And like I said, you can queue into online and do split screen, or you can do offline, whatever you prefer. So to summarize the process, connect an additional controller to your console. You can do this while inside of the game, it doesn't matter. The controller just has to get detected, and you have to make sure that you assign a user account, or you do it as a guest. Once inside of the game, press the respective button at the top right corner of the lobby, and both of you will be together in split screen once you start the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 1. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.